Hi there, Walt Maguire here with Rocketgraph, and welcome to the next in our 2-minute tutorial series. I very often get asked the question about our claim that we can use large language models and AI to help you create your graph schema automatically. And so this 2-minute tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do that. What you see on the screen here is I have an empty Rocketgraph instance running on my laptop. I'm going to start off by creating the schema. So we're a schema-first platform. So before you can ingest data, you have to have the schema created and ready to go. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take the two files I want to load. I have an account and a transaction file, and I'm going to prompt Claude to give me a graph schema. It's going to take a moment and it's going to think about it. And it should come back with some recommendations, and it actually will recommend the schema for me. So you can see what it's done is it's given me an explanation for it. It's created me a node type called account and an edge type called transaction. And it's correctly figured out that the transaction connects those nodes together. Next up is let's create the empty graph in memory so we have a place to load data to. I've created that, and what it's done is create two frames in memory. One called account, which is for the node, and one called transaction, which is for the edge. It has also correctly figured out that each of those maps to a file that we're going to ingest. So I'm simply going to click the upload button now, and we're going to let it load. And it'll take a few seconds, and it loads both files in. So you can see I've successfully digested both of those. Let's go over to data sets and see what we've got. We now have the account node or vertex, which contains a little over 1 million nodes. We've got the transaction edge with about 1 million. This concludes this 2-minute tutorial, and thank you for your time.